say husband ex-wife don come out oh, e don fall out with the children. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you, my darling people, my correct people. This video today na about Mercy Johnson. Una remember say Mercy Johnson husband first marry before the woman, na two of them suffer together wey dem dey Italy. I dey aware of this matter oh, my ogbonge people. So now, ever since we no hear from the woman again, una know say when Mercy Johnson husband marry Mercy Johnson, e still dey with this woman because two of them, all those money today when Mercy Johnson they enjoy, now two of them na im make am together. So more listen know. So the woman, when e dey hear rumor that time say e husband dey follow Mercy Johnson, the husband say no, say na lie, say na rumor, he no dey follow Mercy Johnson according to e husband. So the woman come say he no believe, in dey hear. The man come talk say no, say I want just tell una small how it say happen before I will come tell una wetin bring all those matter. So now the husband come talk say no, say he not dey follow Mercy Johnson, they just be friends, and Mercy Johnson dey help am. They sell e car wey because the man a car dealer. Say he dey help am dey sell e car. So now the wife come say okay, no problem. Then before she can't know wetin dey happen, na she can't see say na marriage. Now she can't dey see oh, and meanwhile she dey even dey call the family oh of her husband say see wetin in the year. All of them say na lie. Whereas they know wetin dem dey do because say Mercy Johnson a celebrity. Because of that one, now they can't turn against that woman. And the Canada where the woman they stay today, now in with Mercy Johnson husband Okoje. Now two of them, now in plan a mo where the woman take go Canada, and they even do Okomu marriage for Italy. Most of them when first stay in Italy, una know it be Okomu marriage. Okomu marriage now be court marriage. I go see they put the picture mo na siam. So my ogbonge people. Now, the woman, when they come find out, say, the man go marry Mercy Johnson, it can cause big problem for them. Now, the woman can say, see the children when he born for Ramo, you don't know why your husband can't turn against her like this because he is a celebrity. You know? And the woman, a very beautiful woman. When I see the woman, I say, this woman be not that bad, though. When they will come make Mercy Johnson, husband can't leave his wife, like his wife, when two of them don't dey for how many years? They suffer together, they drink garri together, they shop groundnuts, they shop wetin that they call amala, they wedu, they shop everything together, they suffer. Why this man will can't just leave this beautiful woman like this? My ogbonge people know. So ever since now, could you believe say this man not the evil they call this woman, you know, they even take care of his children. That is Mercy Johnson husband. So, you know, they take care of your children. You know, they even they call, make even see ask of the children. Not be so, Mercy Johnson husband, not be so, Not be so. At least you still take care of your children. Even though say you still leave the woman, go marry Mercy Johnson because you don't see big yash now. But you don't see one way. You will see the ask of your Pikin. Yeah, very important. As you go just abandon your woman just like that, it dey very bad. Very bad. You still remember the good time wey two of una take day together. Not be say because say you can't see Mercy Johnson now, you can't just leave your woman for Canada. My darling people, una need to see the children. And they don't grow. The woman can't publish the children. Una can't listen to what he talk. Like the thing shockalize me. She talks say, una be think say, hunger go finish he and the children. More una can't see children no. I can't see some people come dey write say Mercy Johnson, no, you have to tell your husband to take care of your children now, even though say 2 of them not dey again. Mercy Johnson, I want use this video to tell you, say, let your husband, they see they take care of his children. Because una too like to dey carry person husband. Una too they like that thing. It not good for una. It not good at all. My ogbonge people, oh. So as I can't see this thing, the thing really just pay me, say, no, Mercy Johnson, you have to allow your husband they see the children. Because if it be saying now you they tell and me not go take care of those pikin, those children, it not good. They see what they call kindergarten, like kindergarten for dog. She me say the man go they pay child benefits, go they pay, and go they pay to a mama. They give the children money. You understand? Because you know feature abandon them because say you don't see celebrity children now. Those the young way fair born before and not be. You know not Pikin will go do for you tomorrow. You don't know. You feel say now this one when Mercy Johnson bought for you. Now I go give you water make you drink later. No. If it be saying now those ones when you not expect. Like go come take care of you tomorrow. So that is why to abandon children, I always they tell people, don't abandon your pikin no matter what. Say you with the mama, una not there again. But don't abandon your own pikin. No abandon them. It's not good. Later you go regret your life. You go know what you do to your life. Stop to the reject your own pikin because say you don't see new one. It not good there. And they use that they tell men, they tell people all the time, say, stop to the abandon your pikin when you felt born before. You know not pikin will go do for you tomorrow. Now when I see the art and for all video, where we go the see am. Pikin where you put eye, it go boof you. The one where you not put eye, now go come take care of you tomorrow. See the children now. Wanna see the children, my darling people. Fine children, oh, they don't grow. Fine children. See the mama, she not see doll herself. That is why they always they tell women, oh, if man leave you, not look and say at the end of the world, though. If you be fat or you be slim, make sure say you take care of yourself very, very well. You understand? So that the man see you tomorrow, you go see they say, even without you, the woman see they shine. Because if they see you say you they do yourself, now dear wahala day, now dear problem day. You understand? So take care of yourself. No, you not leave yourself like that, bada. No. Take care of yourself so that if the man see you, you go see the trip, my darling people. So, my Bonga people, anything wanna think about this video, wanna leave on a comment for the comment section. No, thank you. Bye. Please let me to share the video. Let the video go viral. Thank you. Bye.